Hello, my name is Wafa. I'm going to be talking about the suggested remote desktop software for Al Airport, which is LiteManager. The first part is purpose and components. What is remote desktop? Remote desktop is a program or an operating system feature that allows a user to connect to a computer and another location, see that computer's desktop and interact with it as if it were local. The purpose of LiteManager is to access a workplace computer or home computer from another location, fix computer problems, perform administrative tasks, and demonstrate something such as a process or software application. Hardware and software components. When you download the application, you need to install the server app on the machine that you want to control, and the viewer utility on client PCs from where you want the access remote PC. However, it's advisable to install both the packages on all your machines. LiteManager is compatible with Windows 10, 8, 7, Vista, XP, 2000, 2008, 2003, and 2012. Linux using One emulator, Mac OS, Android, iOS. The minimum requirements for LiteManager is your PC should include at least low-speed processor, run Windows XP or higher, and has small amount of available RAM. It is sufficient to have a standard graphic card supporting hardware acceleration. I chose LiteManager because I think it's one of the best remote desktop softwares available, and I think it's the perfect fit for Al Airport, because it allows you to optimize the IT infrastructure of your organization. Thus, you can save time and money spent on servicing and maintenance of computers. It reduces the workload of the employees and improves quality of technical support services. The second part is system build. I'm going to show you now how to install LiteManager, both server and viewer, and connect using the ID. First, you go to LiteManager official website. You press on the download tab and you choose the version that's compatible with your operating system. You click on it, then you press save, and then you open the folder. You open LiteManager folder, you're going to find both server and viewer. You open the server first, and then you just keep clicking next. Next, 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 agree to the license, next, until you see the install tab. When you press on the install, the setup process automatically executes security setting for the server utility. Under its authorization tab, you can either choose single password protection or WinNT security. If you select single password protection, click change password and then enter your password. You can also change the security level under the authentication tab, level 3 by default. Blacklist certain IP addresses from IP filter and disable various connection modes present in the mode tab. For instance, disable remote control, remote screen, file transfer, and so on. Afterwards, you click OK and then finish. Then you open the server, the viewer, and you click next, keep clicking next, 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 then install, and then LiteManager opens for you. Then you go to the source of your LiteManager file. You go to OS, program 86, I think. You click on it, and then you're going to find LiteManager. You press on the server, you go to files, and then you go to Rome server to get the ID and the password. You click next, and voila, you get your ID and your password. Then you create a new connection. Double click newly created connection. You're gonna write name of your connection and then the ID. Press OK, then log on. A dialog window will pop up. Enter your security password again and click OK to activate the connection. Now you have access to the remote desktop, the remote PC. You may execute the function list listed under Mode section to the right of the window named as Full Control, View Only, File Transfer, Shutdown, Task Manager, Execute, Terminal, Chat, Send Message, and Registry Editor. To execute any command, select it from the list and double-click your connection. Alternatively, you can right-click the connection and execute the command from the context menu. Now I'm going to show you how to install LiteManager on your phone and use your phone as the client. So you go to LiteManager official website, you click on iOS or Android if you have Android, you open it in the store and it's going to get installed. You're going to wait and then you're going to open it. After you open LiteManager, wait for it to install, then you open LiteManager, enter the IP address, the ID and the password. If you have the IP, just enter the IP address, the password, and then you press on connect. After you press on connect, it's gonna show you how to use it since your phone is touch. Then voila, you have your desktop in your phone, and you can just perform any. You just have full access to the PC. You can open folders, view images, pictures from your desktop. You can open the email. Yeah. Basically, now you have access to the remote PC.